Have you ever marveled at the unwavering determination of those who achieve greatness? Wondered how they managed to stay resolute, forging ahead with unwavering purpose? Meanwhile, you might feel like you lack discipline, focus, and direction. Why do they possess such power while you feel feeble? The answer is straightforward: monk mode. It's about complete immersion and unwavering concentration on your objectives. Let me show you how you can and will become a powerhouse of success through monk mode. What is monk mode? First and foremost, understand that monk mode is the realm of champions. It's about summoning the inner beast within you and channeling it towards your goals. When you enter monk mode, distractions become nothing but feeble whispers in the background. In monk mode, you become a man on a mission, a force of nature with an unrelenting spirit. You'll sweat, you'll bleed, and you'll conquer. There's no room for weakness here, only the pursuit of excellence. Monk mode demands sacrifice. It's about cutting away the unnecessary, the frivolous, and the trivial. Every moment is precious, and in monk mode, you'll harness them all for your goals. So, how do you step into monk mode? You start by setting clear, audacious goals. You define your purpose, the very reason you wake up every day. With that clarity, you become unstoppable. Next, you eliminate distractions. Turn off the noise, silence the doubters, and focus on what truly matters. Your path to power and success demands your undivided attention. Social media, TV, and even the internet must be vanquished from your daily life. Picture this: a man who doesn't squander his precious hours scrolling through endless feeds or watching mind-numbing television. Instead, he harnesses every moment, channeling his energy toward his ambitions. He is a warrior of purpose, unswayed by the temptations of the digital realm. Now, embrace discipline. Discipline is the cornerstone of monk mode. It's about doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. It's about pushing through the pain, the fatigue, and the doubts. What are the benefits of monk mode? Number 1, simplicity and clarity. Monk mode simplifies your life to reveal its true essence. It strips away the unnecessary, leaving behind clarity and purpose. You see your goals with a sharp, unobstructed vision, and you navigate towards them like a captain charting a course through uncharted waters. Number 2, unstoppable focus. Monk mode grants you the power of unbreakable concentration. When you strip away distractions and commit to your objectives with unwavering determination, you become a force to be reckoned with. Your gaze becomes a laser, cutting through obstacles with precision. Number 3, alpha self-improvement. Embracing monk mode is the ultimate act of self-improvement. You sculpt your body, sharpen your mind, and fortify your spirit. You become the embodiment of the alpha male, confident, capable, and constantly evolving. How to do monk mode. Step 1. Define your purpose with precision and craft razor-sharp goals. In the world of men of action, having a purpose is akin to possessing a map that guides you through the darkest of jungles and the fiercest of storms. But not just any purpose. It must be sharp, laser-focused, and honed to a fine point. It should pierce through uncertainty and doubt like a battle-hardened warrior's blade. With your purpose as sharp as a sword, you must now break it down into strategic, laser-focused objectives. Each goal is a step closer to your ultimate mission, a rung on the ladder to your destiny. Your goals should be specific and crystal clear. Vague intentions lead to vague results. Instead of getting fit, set a goal to achieve a 10% increase in muscle mass in 6 months through a structured workout regimen. You must also make your goals measurable, realistic, and time-bound. Step 2. Crush distractions. Like stated before, distractions like social media, TV, and the internet must be eliminated for the duration of monk mode. This will maximize results. Step 3. Forge an ironclad schedule. Every hour of your day should have a purpose. Start by setting clear priorities. What tasks or activities will bring you closer to your goals? Identify them and allocate prime hours for these essential endeavors. Your schedule should reflect your unwavering commitment to your mission. An important part of this schedule is rising early. Early mornings are often quieter, less distracted, and offer a serene environment for focused work or training. Use this time to gain a head start on your competitors. But in your pursuit of greatness, don't forget to schedule breaks. Your body and mind need moments of respite to recharge and maintain peak performance. Even warriors rest between battles. Use these breaks wisely for brief relaxation or physical activity. Step 4. Self-care. You must recognize that your body and mind are your most potent weapons. Fuel them with a warrior's diet. Arm them with quality rest. And strengthen them through rigorous exercise. Step 5. Stay prepared for the unexpected. Though you march with a focused mission, remain adaptable in the face of unforeseen challenges. Flexibility is a trait of great warriors. While monk mode requires a structured schedule and unwavering discipline, it doesn't mean rigidity. Your discipline should empower your adaptability, not hinder it. Remain open to new ideas, approaches, and information that can enhance your journey. Step 6. Reflect and ascend. As a true warrior on the path of unwavering focus and relentless pursuit, the end of your monk mode is not a conclusion, it's a transformation. This step marks the culmination of your journey and the beginning of a new chapter. Remember that the end of one monk mode journey is merely the beginning of the next. As a relentless pursuer of greatness, your path is one of continual ascension. Each cycle of reflection and action propels you further along the road of mastery and achievement. So, my friend, if you desire power, if you crave success, then it's time to embrace monk mode. It's time to become the man who doesn't falter, who doesn't waver, and who rises above all obstacles. In monk mode, you will discover the true meaning of strength and success. It's not for the faint-hearted, but I know you have the fire within you to conquer it. Enter monk mode and become the powerhouse you were born to be. Remember, you must strive to thrive.